May is my favorite time to start planting. In this area, we have Verbena, catmint, Coleus, hosta here, some Zinnias. These are all wonderful to tie you over during the months when things are starting to still grow and fill in. Things like the vinca and the Zinnia are excellent if you're in the southern zones because they can handle the excessive heat that's coming our way. It's also a great time to start planting any summer or late summer flowering bulbs. These acidantheras here, they produce a white flower that is actually also scented. It's a great alternative for kind of late summer blooms. May is actually the perfect time to start sowing seeds too if you're in the colder regions because your last frost will be over. You can start growing pretty much every vegetable in your garden. Some of your brassicas, so that's like your kale and your spinach and things, they may be a little bit over now, but you can plant carrots, beans, eggplants, a whole host of crop. We also have some herbs here. Things like rosemary will do fantastic in the heat. We have chamomile, a purple variety, and your regular sweet basil. These all do great in the heat and require full sunlight. In zones 9 and 10, we've already had some really hot days, so these are my two favorite to start planting, which would be sweet potatoes and eggplants. Fairly cost effective to get a cell tray like this, so you'll plant these up and you have lots of produce throughout the summer months. Some of the items we showed are available on Amazon.com. They'll be linked in the bio, and also check us out at gardenersyards.com.